Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to work on Laravel Filament PHP setup. As I told you earlier, we are going to work this with completely prompt based. So I already prepared prompt for this, and this is what I want to do as a first phase. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek, something. I just opened those tools also here. This is ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Gemini. So are we going to use all these three? But my suggestion, use any one of the AI tool, either DeepSeek or Gemini. DeepSeek or ChatGPT. I observed I did many projects using ChatGPT and DeepSeek. They are providing very nice code. So, but rarely I went to Gemini for different purposes. For generating images, those purposes I went Gemini. So, but I'm going to use ChatGPT mostly to work with this project. And I just opened the Filament PHP. This is mostly used for creating the admin panels, especially designed for Laravel. And these are all the components we can see in the left pane. And this is the latest version of the Filament is 4.0. And Laravel 12th version we are seeing right now. So, and I just opened PHP MyAdmin also. And make sure you have to run your XAMPP control panel. I mean, start Apache and MySQL services also. Right. So I prepared this prompt in the editor. So let me copy the prompt and I'm just going to paste into the ChatGPT. And now we are starting the installation process. So open the browser. So go to the ChatGPT, just add this. I'm just giving the prompt. Let us hit enter and let us see. So it will generate the prompt. As per the prompt, we are going to create. Can you see the command? So this is for Laravel installation and it is all done by using the Composer installation. You need to verify one thing. What is that? If you can open this in a command line, open command line. First, verify Composer is already is there. Is it installed or not? I'm checking. Composer is already installed. Maybe I install. The installation process I did in separate machine actually because I don't want to disturb these things in my current machine. So okay, but anyhow, you will get the idea. But please run the command Composer. It is there. Composer is installed. Now let me clear this. Now, where do you want to create the project? I want to create the project in C drive. So then what you can do, go to the C drive directly. C drive, any other drive, whatever the drive you like, you can go to the drive location. So in this location, I want to create my project. So let us open terminal here, type CMD. Terminal is opening here. So in this, the first command as per the ChatGPT. So this is the command that we need to run. So what is my project name? Training Institute. Because I mentioned in the prompt, I want to create a Training Institute project. So let us hit this. So it is going to create some Laravel project. Usually it will take some time. So you please wait. I am going to pause the video. Yeah, installation got completed. So as per the next command in the AI, just you can move into the folder CD Training Institute. Just let us open the command line again. CD space. The folder name is what? Training Institute. Hit enter. We are into the folder. Now the remaining commands we have to run in this. And they are saying that set correct permissions for the if it is Linux and Mac. Okay, no problem. And we can run our application also by typing this following command just to verify. So we can run this whether our application Laravel application is running or not. So if you want, you can run this. Now just I'm running the command. So it will, yeah. So we can click this and we can open this into a separate window. Yeah, see Laravel 12th version. This is a welcome page. Now we are not working on the front end. We will work on the back end, right? So let's go to the ChatGPT again. Let's proceed for the next thing. So install Filament v3 version. But what is the Filament version we are having here? 4th version. So what I will do, let me copy this command. So we have to be very careful while using AI tools. At the bottom of ChatGPT, maybe you will get ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check the important info so that we have to be very careful. So, but if you are installing this command, what it will do, it will give the 3rd version, but we have latest version is 4th version, right? So let us go to the command line again. So let me install this in our project. So Control C, I'm stopping this application. So you can run the Filament installation. Yeah, usually it will also take some time, right? You please wait, right? I'm not pausing the video this time. So it doesn't take much time like Laravel. I mean, Laravel taking a lot of time. So for installing, but it doesn't take such a huge time. So after that, what is the next command? Meanwhile, so next we have to install the panels. This panels is for creating admin panel or user panel, employee panel, editor panels. I mean, if you editor login, editor dashboard, user login, user dashboard, employee login, employee dashboard, admin login, admin dashboard, right? The same command we can copy here. Same command. There you can see in AI tools also, here also you can see. But before running the commands, please verify what is the latest version, what AI tools are providing. So AI tools are trained with the third version, not with the latest version, right? That's why we have to be careful while choosing this, right? I'm installing the panels. So it will ask you the panel name. So the panel name, I'm taking this as admin itself. Remember, I will show you a lot of panels again later: editor panel, admin panel, user panel, employee panel. So I mean admin dashboard, employee dashboard. So the name of the panel is admin. So some people will take differently. Control, we can take like this also. I mean, your website name.com/admin. Generally, if it is a WordPress, website name.com/wp-admin to log into the WordPress. Same way here also we are going to provide, but let me take admin as it is. But you can take any name here as a admin panel. So now I'm hitting enter. So see, all done. Do you want to do something on GitHub? No, right now I don't want, right? But you got some warning just above on this. You can see we have attempted to register admin panel provider in bootstrap providers.php. So, but there is some problem. Copy this error. So we will solve this error after some time. Let me finish the application first. This is the error we got. Warning, not error actually. So we will work on this error. Let us go to the another. So now the next thing is what admins completed. So go to this again. So panel create completed. Very important. This is the package we need to install for maintaining the permissions, roles and permissions. This command we need to run right now. So let us go to the command line again. So you can type the same thing, right? I'm hitting enter. So this is the minimal setup that we need to do. I told you 95% of the code generated by AI tools, right? But one thing you need to remember, this is the basic setup. This setup we have to do manually. Now onwards, after this completed, we are going to do all the things. AI will generate the code. That code we will copy into our application. This is what we are going to do. So that's what we will see. So this is also completed. What is the next command that we need to do? So go to the AI and so this, it is asking me to publish something. Yep, let me do something. So I will do the same thing. It will copy a file from one location to other location. This is also fine. Permissions related file, something it is asking, right? Completed. Now it's time to run the migration. So first we will do the DB configuration in .env file, open .env file. So this is editor. Here we have some information related to connection. So let me remove this and let me try to add this information. So just I'm renaming my database name is Training Institute only. So let us copy this information, go to this env file, just replace the information. Now it's time to run the artisan command. So to run the migration, PHP artisan migrate. So if we can hit enter, the database training institute does not exist on MySQL connection. So would you like to create it? Okay, yes. So it is creating and running the migrations. So now let me open PHP MyAdmin. Let me verify whether this is got created or not. Just reload databases. 23 databases, yeah, earlier 22. Now you see some tables and the related actually because of running those migrations, all these tables created, especially users table, and there we can see roles and permissions table also created. So some of the internal tables for internal purposes. Okay. Now, okay, leave it. So finally, we did the database setup. So now if we can go to the ChatGPT again, we want to create filament user also. Okay. But you see, they're asking me to do something in a model file. Let us go to the model and let me do something in the model users.php. Open your editor. So, and in this editor, you have app folder. Here we can find models folder. There is a users model.php. Here, this is the default template they given for user model. Use roles, use as roles. Okay, let me copy this. Just add this here as comma separated. You can import these roles also. Let us import the roles. Some minimalistic code we have to do, but I think we are doing more here. Not 95. I told you 95%, but I think we are doing more than 95%. But this is setup. We have to run this. There is no other solution. What is this? PHP artisan make filament user. This is the command where we can create the user. So, and it will ask some information. If you can run the command, it will ask some information like name, email, password on the fly in the admin. So let us copy this command, PHP artisan make user. So copy this and go to the terminal. And in the terminal, we are going to hit this. It will ask the username. Let me take the username as admin. I'm taking the name as admin. Then next the mail ID. Take some down. Okay, what is the mail I want to take? ADMIN @ mail.com. Simply remember this. Next password. I'm taking ADMIN @123. So hit enter. I typed it, won't show you here. Right. So what is happening? User created successfully. Now we can log into this admin, localhost admin something. Now if we can, right. So this is all done. Let me verify. So first you run the application. So how can we run the application to see the output? PHP artisan serve. So everything is command here, PHP artisan serve. So hit this and application is running. So you can click and if you can go to the browser. So are you getting this? No, you are not getting localhost colon 8000/admin. Actually, how to run like this 8000 port number. So if we can hit enter, now can we see this or do you have any error? Please wait. Earlier we got one warning. Do you remember that warning? So in this editor I pasted maybe I think somewhere. Yeah, here is the somewhere. So this warning admin panel provider will do something. Actually this is enabled. So admin panel provider in our we have to register our admin panel provider in Bootstrap providers. But let me verify. Oh, I got this admin panel. I think it is done. I will verify. So what is my mail? admin@mail.com. My password admin@123. All lowercase. Hit taken. Yeah, hit enter. So can we log in into the dashboard? So roles and permissions all done. The package installed. Let me see, are we moving to dashboard or not? Is loading, but initially, but one thing I want to say, in local machine, it will take some time I mean, it will look like it will take some time, but in production, it doesn't take much time. It is very, very fast. Once you enter the username and password, it will take immediately to the dashboard. Yeah. Now I successfully logged into my Filament admin. In the left side pane, we are going to get a lot of menu items for different CRUD operation. And now we are going to make this user management one menu. Under the user management, we can see user creation, roles creation, permissions creation. All we can see. That's we can do in the next video. But what is right now we did here? We created the Filament PHP Laravel admin panel. Now I'm able to log in successfully to my admin. So this is now I told you we are going to work the admin panel first, later front end. If you want to see the front end, just if you can type the URL like this, you can go to the front end. Now just you can see this is the front end. In front end right now, I don't want to work anything. Just it is the welcome screen, Laravel 12th version. So, but this is the dashboard. Let me work on the dashboard. After dashboard completion, so then we will move the content to front end. How we can connect dashboard and the front end, we will see later. But right now, I'm requesting everybody. So you also do the same steps, whatever I did. And if you got any errors or any problems, you please let me know. I can help you there. Right. But one warning we got, but we will see this warning. But actually nothing. I have the code also. We have to copy this code and we have to open that. Let me do open your editor. So in app, you have Bootstrap. There is in the Bootstrap, we have providers.php. So this is already added. We don't want to add it. That's why it is working. Otherwise you will get error actually. So if this is not added, you are going to get an error. So now this is added perfectly, and now all done. So the setup is completed, project setup. Now it's time to work on the CRUD operations, users creation, roles creation, permissions, and how can we assign the permissions on roles, and how can we assign those to the users. That's what we are going to see in the next video. Thank you. And if you have any questions, please post me under the video so we can reply you back. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next video.